Goedje gewetje vjalig er een Stedford. Brief eerst naar Cumrish. Een maat Cumrach, maar knapperig toe. Ach, gaan jullie zeker moren, J.L. had tachert heuvlessig naar Cumrish. Hullig er skweli voet in parachtijg, naar jou agalig.
Ha le willen deunje aan le Cumrish. Is a solution hein nas kutremiche de luch politics. Nur a hedge misha a galope is nur a hillismi a shaw hami a fadichen gewol kuntig given a nit tach gown.
Wocht je nog bliana, ga je commissioner naar Cumrish is jailhug. Ha koach kijken, torster uterus en komali ach gegaan, gaan je waan aan een volum.
We have 23% or so of 7-year-olds being educated through the medium of Welsh. I think it's also important that the Welsh Government now has its 2050 vision, which actually says that they want to ensure that there are 1 million Welsh speakers by 2050.
Bij Naomi Thomas, a brien Cumrish leis na konjachke,
Kai, Ted.
get nach Jach a toka leis a chanan, hiadresh, sia furach an a nalapa nisha.
So we moved to Ynysmon, Anglesey, when I was 8 years old, and to get into primary school you have to speak Welsh to a certain level, so I was sent to a Welsh learning school for the first 2 terms of the school year, and then I was allowed into normal primary school. Travelling around a lot when we were little, it was kind of always learning a new language, so I learnt German, learnt a bit of Hebrew, so this was the next language really.
An a nalapa ha kutjekead mollian voloch gemarch, go behar volum trevian na galig vi sa huliscolas na helanen, maar roet radicach.
Gwynedd par fel misha fwdiach. Cogun calje na shirach na skultjen ac erfat a jenu da chananach ha lava noorker eke Cumrish.
We have probably about 70 or 80% of the youngsters in the schools who are coming from English-speaking homes. What we have to do is to ensure that the environment changes so that Welsh becomes just as dominant in their lives as English. And it may be that the workplace is the first place to do that. The hope, of course, after that is that they actually change the language of the hearth to Welsh and that they actually transmit the language then to their children.
Ganata van een hoosjat lanyard sa horstes Jach an de natjach een oprach en die vallesach de gunje kwil Cumrish akket, agus Porsche na galig son shinne janik an de nalapa kujach. Andreas Wolf, BBC an La.